Thank you for joining me on episode number 6 of the Body Positivity series. In this series, you will need the following props: a yoga bolster, yoga bricks, yoga blankets, a cotton yoga belt, rolled yoga mat. Let's begin by being on our knees with them wide apart. You can use the padding under your knees if you're not comfortable, and even behind your ankles. Now slowly bringing that bolster on one side of the body. Inhale and exhale. You could even lift your arms up and turn towards one side, and gently keeping your navel into the spine, exhaling smoothly, drop your body, the abdomen and the chest all the way onto the bolster with your arms resting lightly on it. You can keep one side of the cheek or your forehead on that bolster, but most importantly, stretch to the fingertips and keeping your opposite hip grounded. Remember, the side body should feel a nice length with some consistent breaths reaching out there. Exhale, breathe, stretch through your fingertips, and when you're ready, walk your palms back, rolling right back into the center. Gently moving your bolster onto the other side. Repeating, twisting, dropping on that bolster, staying in it for at least a minute each on both sides. Exhale and inhale, lengthening through the side body, through your fingertips, holding and enjoying the opening of your joints and tissues. Once you're ready, roll back up in the center. Very gently, we'll move on to the second posture. In the second posture, you can see my knees on a bolster, resting. Bring your right foot in front. Now move your right knee forward, bringing your thigh parallel to the floor. The left knee, as you can see, is supported with that bolster. Curl the left toes and move the knee so that the back of the knee gets more comfortable onto that bolster, giving you a more intense stretch in the back leg, and flatten the foot once again. There are two ways to look at this. There's a traction or a direction of moving forward with the right knee, and the left knee is moving back. So keep that traction going. Make sure there's a subtle understanding that the right leg is moving forward and the left leg is getting pulled at the back. That's when you'll really enjoy this posture. Interlock your palms behind you and then open your chest up. But make sure the abdomen is not being thrown in front. Bring your abdomen in the center or towards the lower spine. Staying in the posture, keep trying to intensify the posture by keeping that traction in the front and the back going with the breath. Synchronize the breaths and hold the posture for a good minute on this side. Exhaling. Once you're ready, bring your right knee back and prepare yourself to get your left foot in front. Move your left knee forward, bringing your left thigh parallel to the floor, and move the back of the knee or flatten the knee further onto that bolster, keeping the traction of the left leg in front and the right leg at the back. Synchronize your breathing, interlock your palms, roll your shoulders back, your wide collarbones even wider, enjoying that oxygen in your lungs, breathing and holding. To move out of the posture, simply bring your leg and knee back and sit back and relax. Ready for the next posture in a folded seated position, which has two variations. Let the cross of your legs be in a very comfortable position to begin with, and then slowly bring your left foot under your right knee Now note how to bring your right foot above your left knee, creating that good perfect square in your legs. Move your right palm sideways. Bring your left palm out, stretch it out shoulder width, and then stretch it back behind your ears. Now bringing and aligning it behind your ears over your head. Once you've found a position which is comfortable, you can turn your neck and look up. The most important thing is that the hip, which is on the opposite side to the bend, should be grounded onto the floor. So keep that awareness, holding the posture, enjoying that twist in the neck, that length in the arm, and the length and stretch in the entire side body. With each exhalation, stretch through your fingertips and intensify the posture. Don't lean on one side too much, so keep your posture firm and use your hand as as a simple support. Once you're ready, release and come in the center. Now lift your left arm up high up towards the ceiling to move into variation number 2. With an exhalation, twist the body, bring your palm to your opposite knee or to the right knee and bring your right palm behind and twisting. Move your upper back into your chest and find a nice rotation through the navel and the upper back. With each exhalation, you could feel the twist getting more and more intense if you synchronize your abdomen to move inside. Holding and finding a length through the entire spine with each twist. Keep your neck very comfortable and in the same direction as where your chest is tilted or twisted. You don't have to move your neck right over your shoulder if you're not comfortable. For the rest who are comfortable, you can move your neck right over your shoulder and stay in the posture for good 10 to 12 breath cycles on the right side. Once you've finished, release, coming back in the center. Now we're going to change the fold of our legs. It's very simple. The leg that was on top now has to move on the floor. Once you change this cross, this fold, you're now ready to move on to the cycle for the left side. In this cycle, we're going to move our left palm outside. Draw your right arm out towards the side. Move it nicely at the back behind your ear and then stretch it and lengthen it over your head. Once you feel comfortable where you're not leaning onto the left side and that your right hip is not moving off the ground, then now slowly move your neck and look up towards the ceiling. You can enjoy this entire posture for a good minute, keeping it soft and smooth in your neck and throat, holding and breathing, keeping your eyes closed. To move out of the posture, release, walk back. Now lift your right arm for variation 2 on the left side. Lengthen through the side body up to the ceiling. Exhale, twist on one side. Bring your right arm to hook on to your left knee. Twist completely through your upper back. Move your navel as well with you and enjoy a complete twist through each exhalation being synchronized with the abdomen moving into the navel. Keep your neck passive and soft, and in case you want to challenge yourself, move your neck completely over your shoulder and increase the intensity of this twist. Feel that blood moving into your spine completely, keeping your eyes closed. Once again, 10 to 12 breaths. Depending on your challenge of the day, you can make this 15 to 20 breaths as well. Most importantly, don't skip any breaths. Holding, breathing, and getting ready to move out. Slowly release your hand and come back into the center. Enjoy the vibration of this small little flow that we did in a seated position. Lie down with your neck padded. Keep your feet on the floor and your knees bent. To relax your lower back after so many forward folds, we're going to do a simple Pavan Muktasana. Draw your knees towards the chest. You can hold your knees from the outside or from under the knees, interlocking your palms. Go with the comfort that you have here at this point, because this is just a mere relaxation now. With each exhalation, pull the navel in and find space for your knees to draw closer to the chest. And then gently hold on to this position for a good minute. The lumbar and the lower back feels extremely relaxed with this. And once you're ready, you can slowly move into your final relaxation of 3 to 5 minutes into the Shavasana, the corpse position. Make sure that your shoulder blades are moving into the body. Your palms are opening up to the ceiling. Your feet are flopped on either sides to relax the hip. Always remember you have your props to help you. So if you need more padding under your neck and shoulders, please get it. If you feel you need to put a bolster under your knees, please get it and then move into your final relaxation. Staying in it. Please continue to be in it for as long as you want, but I will leave you for now. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next episode. For regular video updates, you could subscribe to my YouTube channel and of course press the bell icon. You could also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook handles. And do remember, this is real yoga for real people.